Welcome to OneHealthPort. As an administrator, you have several important responsibilities that you'll want to address regularly to help keep your organization in proper order. One of the first things you'll want to do is nominate other members of your organization for a OneHealthPort credential. Each person should have their own login to meet HIPAA requirements and make it easier for you to manage users as they change roles or leave your organization. To nominate new users, you'll need to log into your administration menu. Start at OneHealthPort.com. Along the top of the OneHealthPort homepage is the Subscriber Quick Access bar. Select the Manage Your Account button to reach the login options. To log in, either choose the Administrator Account button under Manage Accounts from the left sidebar, or the Login button in the For Administrators area. On the Administrator Login page, you will need to enter your OneHealthPort user ID in the User ID field and your password in the Password field. The administration menu houses many tools needed to help keep your organization's OneHealthPort account working smoothly. In the left column, you'll find an area which allows you to manage your subscribers. In the right column are tools to service your organization's profile. Many of these are useful for monthly upkeep. Let's take a closer look at the left column. First is the Nominate Subscriber link, which allows you to nominate a user for a OneHealthPort credential. Below it is the Manage Subscriber link, which allows you to change information on a user's profile. Let's walk through the details of nominating a subscriber. Select the Nominate Subscriber link. Nominating users is one of the most important privileges you have as an administrator. Giving members of your organization a OneHealthPort credential allows that user to submit claims, check eligibility, and otherwise interact with our partnered websites. Select the Begin button to enter your nominee's profile information. On the Personal Information page are fields for the new user's name, email address, and drop-down menus for their roles and affiliations. The email address is very important since password resets and technical support rely on this for communication with the user. If you select Yes in the verification field, you are vouching for the identity of your new user. Selecting No requires the new user to undergo an identity verification process. Select the Submit button to continue. Review all the information entered on the confirmation page. To make any corrections, press Edit. If all the information is correct, select the Next button. This page issues the new user a OneHealthPort user ID and an activation code. You, as their administrator, will need to give the new user the activation code. Return to the administration menu by choosing Main Menu. Now that you have a user nominated, you may need to manage their account. Select the Manage Subscriber link in the left column. Now, enter the OneHealthPort user ID in the User ID field. To continue, select the Submit button. On the Subscriber Profile Manager page are 5 account management tools: the Password Reset tool, the Modify Affiliations tool, the Change Email tool, the Change Name tool, and the Suspend tool. Select the Password Reset tool. Resetting passwords is one of the main responsibilities of an administrator, and often happens when the user has forgotten their password and has not set secret questions for themselves. If the user has secret questions set, they can self-reset their password at any time. This page shows the name and user ID of the user. To create a one-time activation code, select the Yes button. An email will be sent to them with a link to the OneHealthPort activation screen. You'll have to give them their activation code personally. Select the Profile Manager button in the left sidebar to return to the Account Management menu. Select the Modify Affiliations tool. The Modify Affiliation tool allows you to add and remove users from any tax ID under your purview. This is useful if you have multiple tax IDs in your organization and are distributing labor between different users. On this page, select the organization name and a role from the drop-down menus, and select the Update button to add a role or affiliation. Check the box to the right of an existing role and select Update to remove an affiliation. Select the Submit button to continue. This confirmation page shows all of the user's roles and affiliation beneath their name and user ID. Select the Profile Manager button in the left sidebar to return to the Account Management screen. Now, choose the Change link next to the Subscriber Email Address tool. This tool is important because many administrative functions work via email. This is a function users can do for themselves under the Subscriber Self-Administration menu. The Change Subscriber Email page will list the user's name, user ID, and current email address. Make any changes to the email address in the New Email field. Then repeat that address in the Confirm Email field. Select the Submit button to proceed. Return to the Profile Manager menu. Now, choose the change link next to subscriber's name. This is something users cannot do for themselves, so all name change requests will come to you as an administrator. This will display the user's current listed name. Changes may be made in the New Name field. Then, enter the same name in the Confirm Name field. This only changes the name displayed on the account, not the account's user ID. To change the user ID, the user will need to be renominated for another credential. Return to the Profile Manager menu. Finally, there is the Suspend link at the bottom of the column. Suspending an account renders it inactive. If a user is leaving your organization, suspending them removes their access to your tax ID. Select the Suspend button. Return to the main menu screen. It is highly recommended that each organization have at least 2 users. This allows organizations to perform critical OneHealthPort functions when its other users are unavailable. At the bottom of the page is the Downloadable Administration Guide. It's a good idea to download and print out this guide for easy reference. Now you know how to add subscribers and manage their accounts. Please join us in our next podcast to learn how to manage your organization's monthly maintenance. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.